the day. I'm at $1. I wanted to start on strings. Go ahead and start on strings so I can move a little bit more faster. Alright, so a string in Python is a immutable sequence of Unicode code points. These could include letters, diacritical marks. How's that? Okay. Positioning characters, numbers, currency symbols, emoji, punctuation, space, and line break, characters, and more. Being immutable, a string object's value in memory doesn't change. Methods that appear to modify a string return a new copy or instance of that string object. A string lateral can be declared via a single quote or double quote. The escape character is available as needed. So we can have a string with single quote, double quote, and if we need an escape, let's just say we have I quote, I quote M for I'm. We're gonna have to do, I think it's, yeah, so it's over here and M. That's what we have to do. Multi-line strings are declared with triple quotes or double quotes. Strings can be concatenated using the plus operator. This method should be used sparingly as it is not very performant or easily maintained. There was a way to do what am I trying to say? There was a way to actually do concatenation. I like W3 schools because it's very straightforward what I'm looking for. Now I gotta start using the actual documentation, but syntax. There was a way to concatenate. There's plus, there's join, there's format, F strings, yeah. Sorry, I was thinking about F strings. That's another way we can go. Oh, and commas. We can do commas as well. We can definitely do commas. If a list tuple set or other collection of individual strings need to be combined into a single string, we have the join, where we just saw about it right here. The join function. So we have chickens, and we can go ahead and join it up. So join makes a new string from the iterable elements. Hen, egg, rooster is a list, and then we do a join, and then it prints out. Any string can be used as the joining element. Emojis, really. An iterable can be used as input. Sets are iterable, but output order is not guaranteed. Strings are irritable, but be careful. Separators are inserted between elements but can be any string. This can be exploited for interesting effects. Separator under the sea. The separator can be composed different ways as long as the result is a string. Word 0. Code points within a string can be referenced by zero-based index number from the left. Why would you even do this? Like, there is no separate character or rune type in Python, so indexing a string produces a new string of length 1. Substrings can be selected via slice notation using start stop step to produce a new string. Results exclude the stop index. If no start is given, the starting index will be 0. If no stop is given, the stop index will be end of the string. Strings can also be broken into smaller strings via split, which will return a list of substrings. The list can be further indexed or split if needed. Using the split without any arguments will split the string on white space. Separators for split can be more than one character. The whole string is used for split matching. So doing a new line. Strings support all common sequence operations. Individual code points can be iterated through a loop via for item and string indexes. Items can be iterated through a loop via for index item and enumerate. It is so hot in here, man. I swear. Alright. You are helping your younger sister with her English vocabulary homework, which she is finding very tedious. Her class is learning to create new words by adding prefixes and suffixes. Given a set of words, the teacher is looking for correctly transform words with correct spelling by adding the prefix to the beginning of this or the suffix at the ending. The assignment has 4 activities, each with a set of text or words to work with. So task 1, add a prefix to a word. One of the most common prefixes in English is un, meaning not. In this activity, your sister needs to make negative or not words by adding un to them. Implement the add prefix un word function that takes word as a parameter and returns a new un prefix word. Alright, so we got our first function. We gotta figure this out. So take the given word and add the un prefix. Parameter word string containing the root word, return string of root word on preend with on. So I already know what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do is word, and then I'm gonna go ahead, split, and I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do on, just like I saw earlier. Oh, what just happened? Bro, what's going on with the site, dog? For real. Just like I seen right here. The separator can be consumed different ways as long as it is a string. So we have a separator, which is sun, plus upper words, and then we're taking upper, and then we're joining upper words. I think I should do on. Yeah, let me do on. So that's what. See if that works. And join. So split. And then return. Alright, I wanted to go ahead and test that. Oh. What happens? Okay. Alright, whatever. I don't know what's going on with that. Okay, that failed. What the hell? Why did they do in between? Alright. Go back. Duplicate. Thank you. This is gonna look crazy because it's looking crazy. I'm sorry. Why is Transform a list containing a prefix and words into a string with the prefix followed by the words with prefix. What? Transform a list containing a prefix and words into a string with the prefix followed by the words with prefix. I don't know this word. Hold on. Prepended. To add or attach as a supplement to something at the beginning. So we're going to have a list of vocabulary words with prefix. List. List is going to be a list of vocabulary words with prefix and first index. This function takes a vocab of words list and returns a string with the prefix and words with prefix applied and separated by, for example, list and close. Okay. Alright. Basically, it's going to do the same thing. That's what we're doing. Alright, let's call this, final word. This. I'm gonna give this thing right here. And, we're gonna do a split. Matter of fact, let's do what we just did the last time. Return vocab words dot split with whatchamacallit, the enclosed crop. What is the list? Input data. This is the list right here. Copy. And we need to print. Make word groups. And we're gonna give this right here. And give me an error. Okay. Split. So I can't split this. Can't split a list. Cannot split a list. Does it look like I can? I can do this though. suffix from the word while keeping spelling in mind. Heaviness, heavy. Alright. Looks like we gotta do some splits. We gotta do some splits with select notation. So what I'm gonna call this variable first is remove suffix equals and I think it's gonna give me an error too because I cannot split lists. I cannot do that. I cannot do that. Okay. Fuck. Well, I'm gonna have to do this the long way then. I think what I did right here. It is hot in here, man. Wait, what? Oh, God. figure out how to do that. Why crap? Return of the new subject to the spelling adjusted. That's what's up. I was just reminded of a song. Oh Lord. Alright, how am I going to add that so heaviness is going to become heavy, and sadness is going to become sad, and softness is going to become soft, but crabbiness is going to turn into crabby. So it looks like they have something common to eye. Looks like I'm doing an if statement. Alright. Sorry, not if, for loop. For I. No, I can't do that. Can I? No, I'm doing it. If -1 equals I need you to fuck. If the last one is equal I need you to turn it into Y. No, I have to. No, no, please. Alright. Gotta make a new value then. Or value, sorry. Jesus. Why? Hold on. What? Wait a minute. Why is it calling a list? List too. Why is it calling a list, my lord? Why is it, what? Let me see, because it's not supposed to be calling. And it's returning a list. Why is it doing that? It's not supposed to. With the join, it's supposed to just show this right here. Am I supposed to put it back as a string? Yeah, I am. What? Like I just did right here? No shit. And now I'm trying to split it. Wasn't this just working? I don't know why it's calling this list. It's not supposed to call this list. It's not supposed to do this. It's saying oh, I'm not even fucking calling it. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not even doing that. It's not even giving me back the type. Alright, You've got to be fucking kidding me right now. Oh, Lord. What is the whole point? Like, come on now. And it's only doing it for the last one, too. I like my method better. Oh, hold on. That's not what I want to do. I'm not reading the directions. I don't want to remove the word. I don't want to remove the word. I just want to remove the suffix from the word. If name dot lower ends with suffix dot lower name. I feel like this can be so fucking simple. All right, let's just move on. Just move on. I'm getting upset. Extract and transform word. Look at the bright sky. His expression went dark. The butter got soft in the sun. Her eyes are light blue in the morning. Or light blue. Excuse me. Sorry. So change the adjective. I'm sorry, adjective within the sentence to a verb that uses the word in sentence. So index data, result data. changes the extracted. For example, it got dark as the sunset becomes darkened. You just gotta add. You just have to add the objective. Two. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Hold on. Alright, yeah. I don't even know where to start. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to do a for loop, but I don't even know how to even set this up. The butter got softened in the sun. This is supposed to be a poem. Index data. What does this index data mean? Variation sentence index expected. Pretty sure I'm supposed to take this index data oh, never mind. Well, never mind. Stop. think I'm supposed to be doing this totally different. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Wait, hold on. It's not that. It is. It fucking is. Yes. Yes, I know what I'm doing. Hold on. Let me cook. Let my brain cook. Let my brain just catch up with my other brain. Hold on. Yes. Okay. So I have to put T in. Fuck. Yeah. Lord. Come on. Oh. No! What are you doing? Oh, I had it. I know what I want to do. What I want to do is I want to take this index. I want to take this sentence and I wanted to look at this index, which is -1, which is Brighton, right? And I want to add the suffix. I want to add the suffix 10 to here. No! Could've known, should've known. Give me this. Oh, I can't figure it out. I don't know. I have it. I know what I need to do. I just don't know what I'm supposed to do to achieve it. let's just follow this real quick because it has the answers right here. So the sentence is pretty sure going to be this. And I'm getting two values. I'm also getting the index. That's going to add. No, it's not. I think I have it. Keyword think. Hey, I tried. I fucking tried. Yeah, I tried. I'm done. I am done. Wait, hold on. Um, didn't I do that shit? Didn't I did that earlier? Not all of this, but I was close to it, bruh. I removed it. I removed it. If, and I was doing a for loop. I was doing a for loop, which I am doing right now. I was trying to figure that out. But this changes I to Y. I thought the whole point ends with. Right. This is how I'm understanding this right here. And I kind of. Let's go. Alright, let's give it a berry. Let's call this I know it's not the best word, but so we're removing the last 4 characters off the word. And if I'm not mistaken, can I do an if statement? If words, actually no, yes, if words -1 equal to Y, I'm sorry, not Y, I want you to go ahead and replace, but I guess we can't do that. If words -1 equal 1, then I want words to be replaced with Y. But I understand why. I'm sorry, replace with replace with I and Y. And I think I was getting an error because it was coming back as a list. And I want to return. I think I figured out the reason why it didn't work. I gotta look back on this video and see what I did. I think I was doing a for loop and it was throwing it off. But it should still catch it, no? Yeah, I gotta look back on the video and see what I did. Alright, so I have two bugs. Sentence index. Indexes into the string character by character, not word by word. You need to split the sentence into words first. And suffix dot join sentence joins characters with the suffix, which is completely wrong. You just want to append. Hold on. I wanted to append TN. Sorry, yeah. TEN 10. So words, I have to split the words. I have to split it into the list of words. And then I have to grab the word. And then I have to strip punctuation if present. And then I have to return the adjective. Hold up, what? Oh, I think it's still on the, no. Oh, I was using 10. Sorry, y'all. Okay. So I gotta split it into a list of words. Which I'm pretty sure I was going that way with the join. And it was doing it for this, or was it doing it for that? No, I was doing that for this. I was trying to do join on this. Listen, I was trying to do something, alright? And let me see here. Honestly, I'm just gonna take the whole flow. I don't even know what R strip is. And I think I went over that already. So I gotta revisit that. I'm stressed out. Okay. Because I was trying to figure out how I was going to get the index. How I was going to get that index. Alright, well. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. Because I'm ready to get out of here. Yeah, it's hot. And I got the fan on. I don't know why. We don't even have the heat on anymore. Well, that's that. I'm tired. All I'm gonna say is I am glad I'm in cybersecurity and not a software developer, because boy, oh boy, I would have been, I don't even know. I would have been crying every day. Crying professively every day. And I don't even know if this is a site that is giving me a headache. This is easy. It's supposed to be easy, but at the same time, I'm just like, easy for who? Can't be easy for a beginner, because motherfucker, goddamn. But it's been an hour already, so I'm gonna just wrap this